Here's one from La Honda. Jesus was walking a hot, dusty road, and Buddha was sitting by a tree. Buddha said, "Hey, son of God, come share the shade with me." Jesus said, "I thank you, dear brother, I'd love to get out of the sun. We'll talk a bit of things to be, seems the world is coming undone." Muhammad came along that same hot road, and Buddha cried, "Come share the shade." Muhammad sat down and he said with a frown, "Man, what a mess we've made." Jesus said, "They're not too smart, are they?" Muhammad just shook his head, "No." Buddha said, "Let me meditate on it, I'll let you go." Muhammad said, "Are they really that dumb? It's been about love all along." Buddha said, "I thought we were clear. How could they get it so wrong?" Jesus said, "I was willing to die in hopes that they'd understand." Muhammad shook his head and said, "Must be the nature of man." Jesus said, "They're not too smart, are they?" Muhammad just shook his head, "No." Buddha said, "Let me meditate on it, I'll let you know." Jesus said, "They're not too smart, are they?" Muhammad